it. I obviously don't want my hair to just look nice like the day I go to the salon. So I'm gonna do right now a treatment for my hair. It's called HairBotox. This treatment is gonna make it feel silky and smooth like every single day for a long period of time. But I'm so happy with how my color looks. It looks and feels so much healthier even without the treatment I'm about to do. I'm gonna take a shower and wash my hair, and then I'm basically gonna coat my hair in this, and you leave it for 30 to 40 minutes and then you just rinse it out. Steven got home. I'm in a rush now, so I forgot to take the before picture. My hair, after I got it done at the salon, it feels better, it looks better, but it still is a little bit dry at the bottom, so hopefully this just like seals the deal. I think I'm gonna do this in the left ear. This is the right ear. It's time to wash it out. I'm gonna go in the shower. I actually realized that I have a straightener that you can use on wet hair. I don't know how great that is for your hair, but we're running so late and I don't have time to air dry my hair again, and I don't have a blow dryer, so be right back. All right, I just got out of the shower. My hair is drying. I did one ear. They look so pretty. Okay, so this is my hair. Can you see it?
It's hard to see, but it's probably really good.
I can feel it still wet at the top, but it's so soft. Even when I was in the shower, it was really soft before I even got out. My hair always feels kind of like tangly and stretchy when I'm in the shower, but it felt really hydrated in the shower. She's very shiny. Even my ends look like I got a fresh haircut. Ooh. These are the earrings. This is the other side. The only thing I have to do now is put the outfit on. All right.